So good news, good news, good news. Good news for all the English learners.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
So you'll be asking that what the good news is. Actually, the good news is we are going to take on a new project. So what is the project? The project is we are going to start a new spoken English learning challenge. The name is 75-day spoken English and grammar learning and vocabulary building challenge.
चल 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 चल। गाड़ी स्टार्ट कर।
So are you guys excited? Let me know in the comment box. First of all, go and drop your comment. Okay, so this is not a video of that challenge. This is a video, you can say this is an introduction video. In this video, I am going to share the roadmap of those classes. How will we learn and what are the processes and what will we learn in those videos? Because if you are learning something, if you are doing something, there will be a strong why. Why will I watch your videos? Why will I learn English? There will be a strong why, right? কোনো কিছু করার আগে ওখানে আমাকে একটা স্ট্রং রিজন থাকা দরকার। সো ওই রিজনটা নিয়ে আমরা আজকে ডিসকাস করব। And as I already said, it's not you who are going to start this challenge. It's we. We are going to take on a project, take on a challenge, 75 days spoken English, grammar learning and vocabulary building challenge. Isn't it interesting? Yes, I think so. So now let me bring it into light. So you will be asking that what are the things we are going to learn in this challenge? What are the things we need to do? Let me clear it first. First of all, what will we improve here? Number one is I'll be sharing the points, the topics, the rules and tricks in English. I'll be explaining in English so that you are improving your listening skill or understanding skill, which is very important for speaking. So number one, you are here improving your understanding skill. And number two, as the name suggests, grammar learning. So how will we learn grammar? If I say tense learning, it will not incorrect. We are going to learn tense, means basic grammar, because I have seen lots of students, I want to learn advanced. No, you have to clear your base at first. So we are going to start from zero level. That means we are going to learn basic tense rules. Not only learn the rules, in just later on in this video, I'll be sharing how will we learn. It's a different thing. It's a different ball game, because learning rules and using those rules is different. So I'll be sharing later on. And number three is, as the name suggests, again, vocabulary building. That means we are going to learn vocabs. Not only learn, as I already said, we are using those vocabs in our normal life or daily life. So you can say all over, we are going to kill so many birds with just one stone. We are going to kill so many birds with one stone. So are you guys excited? Let me know in the comment box. Again, and if you haven't liked this video yet, please do like. Just please do like. And most important thing, if you haven't shared this video with your friend till now, please share this video with your friends so that they can be aware of the fact that we have started a free of cost spoken English, grammar learning and vocabulary building challenge. So what are you waiting for? Please aware your friends too. So move on to the topic. So how will we learn? Here is a question comes that how will we learn? It is a 75-day course, as I already said. So in 75 days, I'll be uploading a video after 1 day gap, after 1 day break. Why? Because just suppose first day we'll learn some rules and some tricks about grammar, vocabs, as I already said. So just I'll give you 1 day break to practice those things which you have learned in that video. You have to practice in that day. So not only we'll learn, but also we'll practice, because by reading, by listening, by learning, or by reading only, or by writing only, you can't speak in English. You have to practice of speaking, reading, writing, listening at the same time. So for practice, I'll give you 1 day break. And again, next day, I'll be uploading another video, second day video, then 1 day break, then third day video, then 1 day break. This will be the process.
Oh my God! Wow!
Now, here comes a point. The point is, what will we learn? We'll discuss some basic rules at first. Means grammar, tense, we'll focus tense. And most important thing, we'll not learn lots of things in one video. Just one thing and one rules, you can say one step in one video. Because we are going to take only baby steps. I will not give you too much in one video. Okay? So we will be learning small by small, bit by bit, little bit. Okay? We are going to take baby steps. And number 2 is the most important thing, vocabulary. Vocabulary. In every video, we are going to learn almost 20 vocabs. That means 75 video, 75 into 20, 1500, 1500, 1500 vocabulary you will be learning in 75 videos. Sounds good, isn't it? This is our target, that we will learn 1500 vocabs in these 75 classes. Right? And the most important thing is, not only we memorize the vocabs, not only we read the vocabs, but also we use those vocabs. It is most important thing. Because you may have a question. That's I know lots of vocabs. We know lots of vocabs. Yeah, I know that. You know vocabs. The most important thing is knowing the vocab is not important. Using or utilizing the vocab is important. So just tell me, are you able to use those vocabs while speaking? Every vocabs? No, right? You can use only some basic vocabs. Basic means some normal vocabs which we'll use in our daily life, like play, eat, go, run, fast, swim. These vocabs, these verbs we use. And if you think this will come first, right? So what will we do? In every class, we will learn 20 vocabs and 20 vocab for 2 days. As I said, I will upload a video and then I will give you a break, 1 day break. And that break is for practice. So in 2 days, you have to practice 20 vocabs. And here is a point. Lots of students will be asking themselves that, as you said, we have to use the vocabs. So if I use the vocabs, if I make grammatically mistake or something like that, so how can I realize that it is my mistake or it is my fault? And how can I correct my mistake? This will be your questions. So here I have a good news for you. Here I have a solution. As I already said, I will guide you. Means I will guide you by giving my 110%. And you have to make sure that you have to give your 100%. You have to give your 100% concentration. You have to watch every video till end. And the thing I will give you, the examples or the exercises, the homework, you have to make sure that you will do those. You have to do. And as I already said, it is a free of cost learning method. Free of cost. But you have to do one thing for me. You have to do one thing. It is free for you. And I am ready to give my 100%. But you have to give me energy, booster. And how can you? How can you give me the booster? What do you think? By giving money? By giving something, any gift? No. By giving your like, your helpful comment, your happy comment, and one share and subscribing our channel. Because when I read your comments, I feel motivated. It will give me a different kind of booster. So that's why you have to also support me by giving your like and comment and share. And then I'm giving my word that I will guide you everywhere. I will guide you 100 by giving my 110%. That's my commitment. And just mark my word. Write it down that if I will not fulfill my word, then you can catch me anywhere. You can catch me. Okay, that's my promise. But you have to give me a promise that you will follow the instructions which I will give. I will not, take your 2 or 3 hours per day. No, just half an hour or 45 minutes per day. Okay, so in our videos, let me come back to the point we are discussing. So the question is, if you make sentences or if you made any mistake, so how can you correct your sentences? This is the question. This is a very serious question, right? So here is a solution. I have a solution for you that I will guide you throughout the classes. I will guide you. And apart from the class too. Not only in videos, but also after the video, I will guide you. So suppose today I give you homework and you have to write it down. You have to make some homeworks. You have to complete your homework and then write your homework in the comment box. And I will take each and every one's homework and I will correct you if you have any mistake, right? So you can put your homework in the comment box. Otherwise, you can send it through my Instagram ID. I'll give my Instagram link over there, Instagram ID. So you can share your copies over there. I can correct you. But make sure you will be sharing your answers so that you can realize your improvement. Right? Okay. And if you are thinking everything is completed, you are wrong. Picture abhi baki hai. Because the reason is, here we are here to speak in English. We are here to learn spoken English. So the most important practice coming around the corner. Now I am going to give you a value bomb, which is speaking practice. In everyday class, in everyday homework, after the everyday class, I'll give you one point, one topic to speak. One topic to speak. For example, today I will give you practice about your daily routine. So I'll give you a structure, a format, how to write your daily routine in the comment box, and you have to write it down, and then you have to practice. You have to practice not only by writing but also by speaking. And do one thing, record your audio or video. Record your audio or video while speaking that topic. You have to record. You have to make sure it. You have to record. And here is a question comes. That how can I know that what kind of mistakes I'm committing through that video or audio? So here is a solution. Because every problem has a solution, which is. Now I'm giving you the solution. The solution is you can send or upload your clip in the comment box. Otherwise, through my Instagram. There I will listen to your audio and I will correct you. I will guide you over there. So this is the way, this is the roadmap, and we are going to take on the project. As I already said, it's not I, it's not you, it's we. We are going to take on the project. And if you support me, I can give my word that I will fulfill all the promises I have given. I'll give you everything, every basic things in these 75 classes. That for sure. That's my commitment. So this is the video, and now I'm recalling what the topic was. So we are going to take on a project, take on a challenge, as I already said, project, just to put on extra light on that point, just to bring extra light on the point. Project, that's what I'm saying. So 75 days spoken English grammar learning vocabulary building challenge. The name is a bit long, right? So, and interesting, okay, isn't it? So, and today we discussed the roadmap. How will we take on the project or the spoken English challenge? Like step by step, we'll learn here. We'll improve our listening skill, speaking skill, writing skill, and vocabulary power and grammatical knowledge. We'll improve our grammatical knowledge. So these are the things I already explained, how to practice and how to correct your answers. How to correct your answers, how to realize your improvements. So all the things I've covered in this video, and this is just only introduction video. You can say this is the trailer, and picture is coming soon. So just you have to share this video as much as you can. Share everywhere so that all your friends who are not able to afford the price of taking any course, they can learn freely. Right? And I can bet on you that after watching the video, you feel that, yeah, it's worth it. It's worth it. That's my word. And mark this word. And one thing I just forget to share with you, that whenever you are recording your audios, your videos, try to upload. Like everyone has Facebook ID, Insta ID. Try to upload your audios or video. Feel free. Because we are learning, and this is also a very important thing. Just, because I also feel when I was speaking, when I started learning, that time I was not able to speak. And when I started speaking that time, and when first time I was going to capture my videos, that time I was not able to speak. So by practicing now, at least I'm able to speak. Now, I also feel lots of difficulties while speaking in front of camera, but I'm trying to improve myself. So I feel that, by doing the classes, I also improve myself. I can also improve myself a lot. So you also need to understand that whenever you're recording your audios or videos, try to upload. And while uploading, one thing must remember, give a tag. Tag is 75-day spoken English challenge. Hashtag. Give a hashtag. Hashtag 75-day spoken English challenge. Okay. And till then, just wait for the first day video, and I can bet on you that the video will be very interesting. So this is the thing I had to share with you, and wait for the first day, first video. And before that, please share this video with all of your friends, and turn on your notifications. So when will we upload the video, you'll find the notification. So like this video and comment how are you feeling about the upcoming course, and share this video with your friends, all the friends, so that they can also learn English language very easily. And very easily, I would not say quickly. No, you can't learn English in 1 day or 2 days or 3 days. It will take time. We'll learn easily, but slowly, but steadily. We'll learn easily. And share with your friends so that they can also learn English language without costing any money. So till then, thank you for watching this video, and bye-bye. And daba ke share karo so that everyone can understand that we have started a spoken English challenge. So thank you. Thank you.